I'm not jumping in today. Is that the best you've got?
Yeah.
It is.
And now you turn, Vicky.
Oh, I can't.
No, Vicky's only got trainers on.
They've got holes in the bottom.
And Mummy's only got trainers on today as well.
Yeah, all wet feet, that might be very nice. It's a bit cold.
Should we go into the actual woodland? Morning guys. So we've just come for a little stroll down to our local community woodland. It's like really misty rain sort of stuff going on at the moment, but like not enough to really get you soaking wet because we're not going to be out for long enough. So the forecast is for it to be like this and getting worse later in the day, so that we thought that we would get out now while it's not so bad, just to get some fresh air and stretch our legs and stuff. And then I think the rest of the day is going to be like a duvet day really, like maybe watch some films, watch some YouTube, have some lunch, do some colouring, do some puzzles and Play-Doh and whatever with Holly. And then if Holly does end up falling asleep for a nap, then me and Vicky are going to film a formal YouTube video, but we'll just have to see how the day goes really. But it's just going to be literally an indoor duvet day as a total. So this is my hair. So basically it's just been toned, so that's like very grey, silvery looking, which I know is a look that some people go for. I mean, I've thought about going grey before, but apparently it's really hard to maintain. So I would imagine that this will like fade or wash out within, I don't know, maybe a week to 2 weeks or whatever. But we're gonna do a strand test in Vicky's hair tonight of the coral, and we're gonna do a strand test on mine of the purple as well, just anywhere really, with the product neat to see how it actually comes out. And then when we go back into town tomorrow, we shall go to Superdrug and see if that we can either return the item or exchange the item for a new bottle or something, because it didn't do what it said it would do. It hasn't really done anything other than tone my hair. It hasn't made it purple in any stretch. So yeah, that's the little hair update, and we shall see you later. Stop! Did you? What letter is it?
T.
No. What letter is that?
A.
No.
A.
N. N.
Nah.
What's N for? Ooh. Careful, you okay?
Right, yeah.
N. N.
Nah.
N.
Nah.
N is for, no, that's a L. What's a N? N.
N.
What's it for?
Squirrel.
No, that's a S. Started to rain a bit more. Come on, what's a N for?
Butterfly.
No. N is for...
How do you do it?
you our epic salads that I have made for us this evening. So Vicky's currently taking photos of it for thumbnails.
Oh, you know.
So basically just just loads and loads of salad, and then a little bit of sweet corn, and then a gammon steak on each of them. And Holly's got chicken nuggets and sweet corn, haven't you, Hol? Nice. So we're going to go and eat all of this yumminess and see you later.